Nath Richards yn dda i wneud rhywbeth o honna. Nawr, mae Hughes di mynd lawr a mae mewn poen. Mae wedi rhoi law i fyny'n galw am gymorth. Di'r chwaraewyr ddim cweit i deall. Mae o'n gadael i'r peth chwarae ni flaen ac i fod yn deg. Nath Dre chwarae mlaen ar ergyd ar y gol, yr ergyd gynta ar gol, arbediad gan Cwba. Mae'n dod mewn eto am y gyfle fan hyn eto i Fawcett. Fawcett ar ei droed chwith gadael i Lewis. Lewis yn mynd i hun. Llawer i hawdd i'r golwr ac yn y cyfamser allan o'ch llun chi. Mae Rob Hughes yn codi. Ac mae'n debyg mai dyna 30 eiliad mwyaf cyffroes yr hanner.
Ia, go iawn.
Watts at i gapten. A'i gapten di Rhys. A mae Rhys di cymryd Henry Jones. Nawr te, dos amdani Henry Jones, pam ddim? Ac un i'r camera gan y golwr, dwi'n rhyw dybio. Arbediad awdurdodol oedd y bêl syth ato fo, a falle dyna'r bachgen deunaw oed ddim wedi ildio cornel, ond da gweld Henry Jones yn mynd amdani.
Mae o'n medru sgorio o'r pellter yma.
Oedd angen yr arbediad. Arbediad campus gan y cawr. Croeso i'r ofal, Jacob Ozrinski. A Goset sy'n cael ei chymryd i. O'na chi, fyr yn gwneud i waith am na lawio fanna. Ia, llawio o fi. A felly maen nhw'n cael ennill chydig bach o lathenni. A maen nhw'n nes at y nod. Goset. Am stori! Am stori ar yr ofal. Mae pêl-droed Cymru mor falch bod Dani Goset yn rhan ohono fo unwaith eto. Ac oedd hi gol uwch gyngrau'r olaf o, wyddwch chi be yn erbyn pwy? Yn erbyn Hwlffordd yn 2016. Dani Goset wedi rhoi Caernarfon ar y blaen o gol i ddim. Ardderchog. Bydd John Thomas. A da chi'n dechrau gweld Caernarfon yn dechrau setlo. Mae gan Jones at Bradley! Ac oedd Thomas yn dod fewn ar y postyn pella. Nath o methu cyrraedd mewn amser. A dyma gyfnod gorau Caernarfon heb amheuaeth.
Ond sy'n mynd efo fynd am bwen. Mae'n efo jyst pasio eto i'r gornel yma.
Charles Richards yn ei chlirio fyny'r cae. Un pêl i gyfeiriad Kai Jones. Kai Jones yn ceisio rhoi fyd mas o golwr! A dyna chi sut i ddathlu bod y dorf yn ôl ar yr ofal. Fe gadwodd o'i ben. Mae'r dorf yn dathlu yng ngwir ystyr y gair. Mae pêl-droed byw o flaen torf yn ei ôl. Does am gwell lle i ddathlu hynny.
Fel ti'n dweud, teimlo'n ffantastig i fi. Wrth y modd i gallu sgorio o flaen y cofiami sydd wedi gael dyma heddiw. A ia, mae'r gol yn special i fi hefyd.
Steve, assess that one for me, the perfect welcome back here at the Oval.
Yeah, I think that was for the coffee army, as you've seen at the end there. I thought we didn't really start very well, if I'm honest. I thought we were too open. I thought they could have hurt us a little bit more, but they didn't really have that quality in the final third. At times, which I thought they could have, if they would have had it, they would have opened it up a little bit more. But I thought second half we controlled the game. Two great goals, great goal by Gossi, and then Kai at the end there worked tirelessly. All the lads did, to be fair, and I thought deserved winners in the end.
Well, I thought we set ourselves up well. We had a game plan. First half, I thought we adhered to it well. I think we did say, silly errors. We cut out the silly free kick that cost us the first goal. And I think it was a 1-0 game all day. I thought, lacked either chances both teams, but in possession we most probably, shared more percentage, I thought, but we didn't have the cutting edge today, and that's what I think cost us.
A beth yw'r uchelgais i'r clwb tymor hyn, Danny?
Dwi'n meddwl jyst i gweru bob gêm am yn dod. Oedd hi'n siomedig i beidio gyfawn i Ewrop o unrhyw so gobeithio mynd i'n step yn bellach, ond gynnu sgwad da yma, so gan i weld jyst y gêm gyntaf, dwi'n mynd lot o gêm o flaen ni, so ymlaen i'r nesaf wan.
You can see there's so much character here in the Caernarfon squad. What was being said in that dressing room after the game?
Just happy, I think we'll dissect it the next few days and then speak about it in the week. But You know, you can just see it at the end with the Coffee Army there, elation, you know, and happy to get off to a winning start, but that's all it is, a start. You know, we've got to build on that now. We've got a tough game next week against TNS, who were unlucky in the week. You know, they'll be wanting to bounce back from that. Like I say, we'll go there full of confidence and look to get a result.
Was this a missed opportunity in the end, do you think?
I think so. You know, I don't think we deserve to lose, truthfully. You know, and with all due respect, I think a 2-0 flattered them, truthfully. But you know, they're from our own mistakes, our own errors. Something we've got to work on, and hopefully going forward we'll do that.